Students, welcome to Excel Tuitions. In this video, we will solve question answers and exercise of the lesson 1 Colors for Standard 3rd English textbook Santur for class 3. New syllabus. Before that, students, if you like the content of Excel Tuition Goa board, then kindly share with your friends, like, share and subscribe for more such videos. And I request you to watch the complete video. Don't skip the video because some important tips and additional questions are added in between the video. So I request you to watch complete video. So let us start to solve question answers and exercise of this lesson. Chapter 1 Colors. A. Answer the questions. Write your answer in the given space. First question is, how many children are there in the poem? Answer is, there are 2 children in the poem. Question number 2. Why did the children want to share the crayons? Answer is, the children wanted to share the crayons so that they have a complete set of colors. Question number 3. How can the children in the poem have a full pack? Answer is, if the children will share the crayons, then they will have a full pack. B. Think and say. First, the children in the poem shared their crayons. Do you share anything with your friends? What do you share? Yes, I share my tiffin, books, pens, etc. with my friends. Second question is, you have only green, blue and red crayon. Talk in pairs what you would want to draw. We can draw a sky with blue color, flower using red color and a plant using a green color. Third question is, now you have blue, green, red, yellow, brown and orange crayons. What can you draw? Draw here. In this empty given space, you can draw a scenery with a house, sun, grass, trees, fruits, flowers, etc. You have to draw a picture of scenery here. In this empty space, you have to draw a picture. Don't write the words. I have just given a clue. You can draw your own a picture or a drawing using the above given colors. Rearrange the letters to find the hidden colors. First is A. LEBU. The color is BLUE. The hidden color we have found is BLUE, blue. B. LYLEWO. This color is YELLOW, yellow. C. RENEG. The color is GREEN, green. D. RUPPEL, PURPLE, purple. NROBW. The hidden color we have found is BROWN, brown. You have to arrange the correct spelling of the colors. Next is say aloud. This is a green crayon. The word green begins with GR. The word crayon begins with CR. Now say these words aloud. Here some words are given starting from GR, CR, DR and PR. We have to read these words aloud. The word starts from GR are GREEN, green, GREY, grey, GRASS, grass, GRAPES, grapes, GRANDMOTHER, grandmother. Now let us read the words starting from the letters alphabets CR. CRAYON, crayon, CRAB, crab, CRANE, crane, CROW, crow, CRADLE, cradle. Now we'll read the word starting from DR. DRAW, draw, DRUM drum, DRESS dress, DROP drop, DRAGON dragon. Now let us read the words starting from PR. Words starting with PR. PRINCE prince, PRINCESS princess, PRIZE prize, PRAY pray, PRESENT present. Form a sentence using each of these words and say it aloud. We have to frame the sentence of each word. For example, the trees are green. I have a grey crayon. The playground is full of grass. I like the grapes. My grandmother gave me a new story book, etc. Students, you can make your own sentences using these words. Next section is have fun. Here is a fun task for you. Look at the words. Read out the color but not the words. For example, the word yellow is written in green color. So you should read yellow as green instead of yellow for the first word. So let us start. First yellow is written in green. So we read as green. Next is red. Third is blue. Fourth is yellow. Fifth is red written in blue color. So we'll read as blue. Then green will read as purple. Then purple will read as red. Then black. Then red will read as green. Blue will read as black. Orange will read as purple. And black we will read as red because it is written in red color. So students, I hope that you must have enjoyed the fun of the colors above. Students, if you like the content of Excel Tuition Goa board, then kindly share with your friends, like, share and subscribe for more such videos. For such a new and helpful videos, subscribe Excel Tuition Goa board. Next is word used to show actions are called action words or verbs. Read the words given below. Circle the action words. Here the words given are carrot, cry, sun, face, laugh, swim, dig, write, dance, potato, jump, cat, leg, sleep, run, smile, eat, play, book and push. Among these words, the action words we have marked are cry, laugh, swim, dig, write, dance, jump, sleep, run, smile, eat, play and push. These are the words which shows action. So these are called action words or the verbs. Next question is find the action words in the grid below. One is done for you. Here the letter grid is given and you have to find the action words in the grid. The words given are walk, yawn, pour, cough, give, see, open and help. And we have found here cough, pour, give, see, yawn, walk, open, help. So we have found all the words here in the grid which are marked, already marked. As we know, there are 26 alphabets in English language. So let us solve the next exercise. See, there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now let us read the sentences made by using above alphabets. First is A. Anu eats an apple. Here Anu, an, and apple. These three words are starting with the alphabet A. B. Basu has a bat and a ball. In this sentence, Basu, bat, and ball are words starting from the alphabet B. C. Chandu likes cabbage and carrots. Here Chandu, cabbage and carrots are starting from the alphabet C. D. Dinesh dances day and night. Here Dinesh dances and day are the words starting from the alphabets D. E. Isha enjoys an elephant ride. Here Isha enjoy elephant. These are the words starts from alphabet E. F. Faiz feeds a fish. In this sentence, Faiz feeds and fish starts from alphabets F. G. Govind goes to get govas. Govind goes get and govas. These four words starts with the alphabet G. H. Harry helps Hemant. Here all three words starts with the letter H. Next alphabet or letter is I. I like ice cream. Here I and ice cream starts with alphabet I. J. Jack just jumps down. Here Jack just and jumps is start with letter J. K. Kavita keeps the kittens on her knees. Here Kavita keeps kittens and knees starts with the alphabet K. L. Lata loves lemonade. Here all three words starts with alphabet L. M. Madhav mixes milk and mango pulp. Here Madhav mixes milk, mango. These four words starts with the letter M. N. Navneet writes his name on a new notebook. Here Navneet, name, new and notebook. These four words are starts with the alphabet N. Next alphabet is O. Om opens a box of oranges. Here Om open and of and oranges. These four words are starts with the alphabet O. P. Prema puts a pencil in her pocket. Here Prema puts pencil and pocket are starts with the alphabet P. Next alphabet is Q. Q up quietly. Here Q and quietly starts with the alphabet Q. Next alphabet is R. Radha rolls the red ribbon. Here Radha rolls red and ribbon. These four words start with the alphabet R. S. Six sparrows sit on a sack. In this sentence, six sparrows sit and sack starts with the alphabet S. Next is T. The teacher tells a tale. Here the teacher tells and tell starts with alphabet T. U. Usha uses an umbrella. Here Usha uses an umbrella. These three words starts with the alphabet U. V. Vishnu visits a village in a van. In this sentence, Vishnu visit village and van starts with alphabet V. W. We see a watchman near the white wall. In this sentence, we, watchman, white and wall. These four words starts with the letter W. Next alphabet is X. X is the last letter in ox, fox and box. Then Y. Yasmin and Yana are friends. Here Yasmin and Yana. These two words starts with the alphabet Y. Last letter is Z. Zebras graze in the zoo. Here zebra and zoo starts with alphabet Z. Now let us move to the next question in this exercise from the textbook. And here the question is, let us arrange some words in alphabetical order. Let us take name of 5 fruits to begin with. Cherry, apple, grapes, banana and orange. Now arrange these words in alphabetical order. Look at the first letter of each word. Put them in the order of the alphabet. Means in 26 alphabets, which letter comes first, then the other. That means first come first. Then write down the word that begins with A first, B next, and so on. So the names of these fruits in alphabetical order would be, first will come apple, then banana, then cherry, then ABC, C for cherry, then D, E, F. The words are not there, therefore we'll write grapes. Then comes orange, starts with alphabet O. Now write these colors in alphabetical order: yellow, blue, purple, green and red. So using alphabetical order, the first word will be, the color will be blue. Next is green. After that purple will come, then red and lastly yellow. You can use the clue given below. In this clue, the colors are given as per the alphabetical order. They are arranged as per the alphabetical order. So first blue, green, purple, red and yellow. You all have friends, don't you? Like you, words also have friends. Look at these words. Match each word with its friend word. Write a new word in the space given. The picture clue will help you. One has been done for you. Here 4 columns are given. In first column word, second column friend, third column new word which will form, and fourth column clues are given as a pictures to help you out. So let us solve this exercise. In the first column the words are given: rain, blue, news, basket and earth. And the friend word is paper, ball, bow, worm and berry. So we have to join this: rain, bow, blue, berry, news, paper, basket, ball and earth, worm. So we'll write down these words in third column as a newspaper, basketball, rainbow, earthworm and blueberry against the clues given in the table. The video of the poem reading colors is already uploaded, and this is the exercise solution in question answers of this poem. Thanks for watching.